For course learning outcome 1, my system will work as long as this button is not pressed at the start of the loop, it will run through the system and know if using the moisture sensor, whether or not to start watering or not. First of all, the way I found certain thresholds for whether the plant is watered or not is I use this while loop here to constantly check the values and see at what value the soil would be dry or wet. For course learning outcome 2, the way my system works is every time the button is not pressed at the start, it will read the voltage, check for the voltage compared to the thresholds found earlier, and if it is wet, it will turn on the water pump and vibration motor, pause for 5 seconds, then turn both off. Then for course learning outcome 3, it will go through this function called find moisture. When it runs find moisture, it will take the input of time point at 0 initially, and the voltage found with the moisture sensor. It will then convert the voltage into moisture percentage, and then add 1 to the time point as it is in minutes, and the entire system will be running over the course of a minute. Then it will return a point, time, and the point called voltage. These 2 points will then be stored in an array and then plotted live for a graph. Then it will reiterate through this loop again to back if the button is unpressed. If the button is pressed, then it will force itself to shut down and end the program. Here, as you can see, it is detected that it's been watered, so the pump is not working. To show that this does work, however, when it is dry, I will be holding it up. And as you can see, that it will still run when it's dry. You can also hear the vibration motor running. So here's a live graph example of my function, where this is dry, and as it gets watered, it goes all the way up and gets wet. So how this works is the moisture sensor will go through the code, tell a voltage. If it's dry, turn on the vibration sensor to show that it's running the motor. The motor water pump will start pumping water for 5 seconds, then loop again until it is shut down.